suppose we want to do program for checking even number and or odd number. In that case, the same program we will do, check for even or odd. This is a comment. Here we have to accept a number from user, and for that we will declare one variable. First we have to include stdio.h. Again, if you are using the turbo C, then just include that conio.h also. Okay, now the next point is main function. Void main. Here we can write void or we can write int. If we are writing integer, then return 0 should be the last statement. In that way. Now see, in main, now first point is what we are going to accept a number from user. That's why we will declare variable of integer type. Okay, now say it as a n, means suppose n is a one variable of type integer. In that we will store whatever entered number by the user, and that we will check whether it even or odd and display message according to that. And for checking certain condition, we can use this if else. Okay, now see, first we will give message to the user like enter the number. For that we will write printf enter any number in this way. Now we have to accept number from user and store inside that n. For that we will write scanf. Here number is of type integer, that's why %d comma ampersand n in this way. Now we have to check whether that n is divisible by 2 or not. For that we will use modulus operator. Okay, if n is divisible by 2, then we can say that number is even, otherwise odd. In this way, simple, if n modulus 2 is equal to 0, means what? If dividing that number by 2, if remainder is 0, means that number is divisible by 2. Then we have to display like printf it is even number, or we can just display even. This is the program for checking whether given number is even or odd using if else. Okay, now see here how it will work. First user will enter a number. Suppose user has entered 5 here, that will get stored inside that n. Here 5 modulus 2 is equal to 0. It will check for equality. 5 modulus 2, it is nothing but 1. The result will be 1. How? See, 5 modulus 2, 2 2s are 4, the remainder is 1. In this way it will work. That's modulus operator. Modulus operator always gives us remainder. Now here it is 1, it is not equal to 0, means this condition will become false. It is equal to 0 means if it is 0, then this condition will be true. Now this result is 1, means 1 is equal to 0. No, it is false. That's why control will come here inside else part. Here we can place press or we can skip. Here there is only single statement, that's why I have not written that brace. Now it will come here inside that else block and will display the output as a odd. Getting? And will come here and stop the execution of that program. Now suppose user has entered, instead of 5, suppose user has entered 16. Now how it will work? Again 16 modulus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, it is true. Then it will display even and will directly come here. Get ch means user will press any key and the execution will get stopped at that place. This is the program for checking given number is even or odd using if else.